Olivia Dunn, 15th anniversary. Purple is a nice card. What we got? 6 out of 7. Not bad. And for some of you, as we will put some of the cards on the side here, who was able to see those?
Everyone on TikTok.
Okay. Perfect. All right. So next we're going to get started with Leaf. Looks like we're starting off with a plate. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that is exactly what that is. PJ Marlando. It's a first round pick of Miami. That is a 1/1 plate card to start the night. Not bad.
Wow.
And then we got Dylan Cruz. It's like a base at a 99. Wellington Herrera autograph at a 7. Walker Janik, really fun college player to watch a year ago. Great catcher out of Houston. That's an out of 4 auto. Diamonds in the rough. Theo Gillen, another first round pick. Tampa first round pick. That is a first round gems out of 5.
Holy shit.
It's a great card. Ryan Sloan, auto at 25. And then we got a triple here. Clean up here a bit and then move on to the jumbo version of that same box. So if we are any bit as successful, that'll be a good day of Leaf jumbo. Of Leaf metal baseball.
More of a college wrestling fan.
All right, Don.
Don,
we'll
who
get
do you
something
follow in
for
that
you.
world? I'll make sure to pick up some college wrestling cards.
Well, it's the Pokemon Full Arts and the college wrestling.
Man.
It's a good start.
That's great.
All right, so these all come in this box here. Before I go through it, it is a 14 card box. 8 a huge one. Dexter McClown Jr. He is, I think, 16 years old, but he is the top 2028 grad high school baseball player. That is an auto of Dexter McClown Jr. out of 35. That's a huge hit. Brady Ebel, recent draft pick. 1/1. Very nice. And here's another, this one, so I talked about Drew Burress earlier. Raj Kalowski is the favorite to go #1 overall next year out of UCLA. Stud shortstop, autograph out of 7. It's beautiful. Daniel Cuvée, Miami, third baseman, out of 10. Kellen Lindsay and Zier Hope, another big prospect. A couple big LA Dodgers prospects, out of 15. Anyone who followed college baseball last year, this is Ava Arquette, out of Oregon State. That's a really, really beautiful autograph. Ava Arquette, out of 49. And last but not least, we have our slabbed 1/1 clear red Walker Janik. Really, really nice card. Pre-production proof, clear red. Again, all these cards will be up on X and on our website. Awesome.
Let's get that one.
Yeah.
Let's put that there.
We'll put some of these up for display here shortly. Just trying to kind of organize ourselves.
There they are. Not the straightest cards.
Specs. There are several Connor Griffins in this set, so we're hoping to get ourselves one of those out of here. Connor Griffin obviously being the top prospect in baseball. Pittsburgh Pirates prospect.
He's going to save the day.
For them, hopefully. For us, hopefully, too, as we do have a lot of Connor Griffin that we will be posting on our website already in stock. All right. Get the extra sticker in there. All right. Let's see what we've got in store. It's a good one. Matt Shaw out of Chicago. Out of 35 auto. Any Cub fans? There we go. Caden Donna auto. Big time Angels program guy. Out of 15. Any LA Angels fans? Drake Baldwin out of the Atlanta Braves. Their upcoming catcher. At 25 auto. Dalton Rushing. LA Dodgers. Out of 7. And then Roman Anthony. That's the big one right there. Boston Red Sox just signed an 8-year contract extension with them. Big time young player, big time young prospect. Out of 49. That's an awesome auto for Red Sox fans and really anybody collecting prospects or up and coming players. So that's what we have for our baseball boxes today.
Need more top loaders.
Yep. Pass these along to you.
Alright.
And again, all of these cards will be up on X and on our website tonight, tomorrow. KP Sports Cards on X, kpsportscards.com will be our website, which will be released tomorrow. In about a second, we're going to switch it up so that Steve can go through some of the football.
What are those cards over there?
These were just some, bring them over here. I'll take care of those when I go there.
These are all the current ones-to-ones that...
Perfect.
And then you have all that stuff too. Alright guys, I got 2 boxes, but we are going to start here with my Leaf Anniversary Pack. So, 3 cards. We have a signed Rocket Ishmael. A 1 of 1.
Yeah. Mini card too.
A mini card, and then Drew Brees Leaf. And that's a 1 of 7. So those are awesome. The mini cards are so cool. I'm pretty sure in this box there's a chance for OJ.
There, yes.
I think he's in there. So all right. We're gonna start with the Multi Sports 2024 Future. So this has here. Then we got Philip Bell the 3rd.
That's a nice
Cool.
card.
2 out of 2. Yeah, two out of 2. All right. Next one we have is Graham Mertz. Out of 8, Florida. Gator prospect. All right. Next one we have Javion Thomas. Next in line. 1 out of 1.
Nice.
Awesome. Then we got a Dia Bell. Prep school signing. This is high school prospect. Out of 25. And last but not least, out of this George McIntyre, who is another high school prospect out of 10. So some awesome 1/1s. That's a Brock Purdy card, but there we go. And then
Slab auto.
we got the Slab Auto, which is a 1/1 Marcel Reed auto